Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain how to work out the area of a circle. So this individual and I suffer from the same affliction, that is of a rather large head. Now mine is three-dimensional and not quite spherical or circular, so it's a little bit different. But he's a bit confused right now, but he doesn't realize that the area of his head is pi r squared. So we're going to work out the area of a slightly smaller circle, nearly as big as his head, but a little bit smaller, and I'll show you how to do that. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So I've got some new pens, so let me know if you can't see properly. They're not as thick as the previous ones. Anyway, so it's pi r squared. Ignore the terrible handwriting, but that is the area of a circle. So the most important thing, and the only thing you really need to know, is the radius. Now that's because we know what pi is. It's a constant, but it's fine. You can give your answer in terms of pi anyway, or that's what you should normally do, so it doesn't really matter. And we know what squared is. You just square something, so you times it by itself. So for example, in this example, the radius, which is the distance from the center of the circle in a straight line to the edge or circumference of a circle. So center to the edge, that's the radius. And in this case, it's 3 centimeters. So R is, geez, my handwriting is not good today. So R is equal to 3 centimeters. So in the case of this circle, the area of the circle, AOC, is equal to pi times, when it's next to each other like that, it just means times R, which is just going to be 3 centimeters. Now make sure to all square it, because the centimeters is going to get squared as well, is equal to pi times 9, because we're doing the 3 times itself and the centimeter squared by itself, so 9 centimeters squared. If you don't understand that, let me know, and I'll explain it in the comment section. And then, I mean, it is technically pi 9 centimeters squared, but generally, at least from my understanding, you should do like 9 pi centimeters squared. And effectively, it is 9 pi centimeters squared. You know, pi is roughly, well, it's roughly 3.14. Let's say it's 3, you know, it's going to be 27 centimeters cubed, or roughly around that for the area of the circle. But I always recommend using it in pi if you can, or especially if they ask you to, and it'd be a lot more specific. But hopefully that is a quick breakdown of working out the area of a circle. But again, if you have any comments or questions, you can let me know down below and I'll give you a bit more detail. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Best of luck with your maths, and as always, thank you for watching.